Hollandse Hout, a forest born from the sea. The Hollandse Hout forest in Lelystad is a remarkable example of Dutch ingenuity and ecological ambition. Here's what makes it so special. Hollandse Hout was planted in the 1970s after the land was reclaimed from the Zuiderzee as part of the creation of Flevoland, the Netherlands' youngest province. Planned urban expansion. Initially, part of the forest was intended to become a residential area. When that plan was abandoned, slower-growing species like oak and beech were added to complement the fast-growing poplars, willows, and alders. A major storm in January 1990 damaged parts of the forest, prompting ecological reassessment and conservation efforts. Ecological significance. Rare fungi. In 1995, 36.8 hectares of Hollandse Hout were designated as a forest reserve due to the presence of 4 rare mushroom species listed on the Dutch Red List. Unique soil. The calcareous sea clay from the former seabed creates a distinctive habitat that supports diverse flora and fauna. Now, let's have a look at the forest through a thermographic camera, revealing the health and temperature differences captured in colors. Deciduous diversity. It's one of the few large deciduous forests in the Netherlands, with a mix of poplars, willows, alders, oaks, and beeches. Let's have a look through a thermographic camera. A forest with water ambitions. Ecological connectivity. Recent projects aim to enhance the forest's ecological and recreational value by introducing a large water structure called a slenk that connects Hollandse Hout with the nearby Oostvaardersplassen Nature Reserve. Gateway to nature. This development also supports the creation of Poort Lelystad, a new visitor hub that will serve as a gateway to the region's natural wonders. Why it's special. From sea to forest, walking through Hollandse Hout is surreal. You're strolling through trees where the sea once flowed. Nature and recreation. It's part of the New Land National Park and offers scenic trails, biodiversity, and a peaceful retreat for hikers and nature lovers.